and the next traffic light we're turning right or going towards Blackburn Town Centre. So tyres and the road under the tire. Can you see the road?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can. Is there?
Alright.
I don't have to do that.
Maybe you're sitting more taller than me.
No, you're taller than me.
Well, I can't
But
see.
you can say it.
Now I can.
Okay.
Any idea why do we do Tyres and Tarmac?
No.
No. Okay, I'll explain to you later on. Why do we always give tyres and the tarmac when you're stopping behind a car at the traffic light, or if the traffic is not moving, we give tyres and the tarmac? What is the reason for that?
It's to give the driver ahead a space in case they reverse or...
Yeah, in case of the roll back.
Yeah.
That's one reason, isn't it? Everyone knows this. Can you think of any other reasons? No? So what if you went too close bumper to bumper and that car, not rolling back, but that car break down?
Oh, okay, you won't be able to pass around it.
No, because what if you went bumper to bumper, the car behind come bumper to bumper as well?
Your view, so you won't be able to go.
No. So think about a different way, Anita.
Okay.
So you went bumper to bumper, and the car front is break down. The car behind is now bumper to bumper. So that means we can't even to reverse our car and we're stuck. But if you have got tyres and tarmac, you've got enough room. That car is break down. You can check your mirrors, blind spot check if you need it to. You don't have to, but do this and then go around it.
Yeah.
That's the second reason. The other thing which is people always miss, that for example, if you are at traffic light and all of a sudden you hear the start siren, police car, ambulances, fire brigade, and if they need to go around it, you can move your car a little bit to the left if it's safe to do so.
Okay.
And they can go. I'm sure you've seen in the movies when the cars goes there, and then so this is the reason why we always give tyres and the tarmac. It's very important and it will safer. That's one thing though. Yeah.
Okay.